So what I did is, so this is impact. This is where we're displaying the impact of a deploy, which is kind of interesting because if you have no deploys, we still measure impact. And so what I did is I turned impact on for everybody. So even if you don't have Sentry or Rollbar configured, you still have a health of a deployment, and you can still modify it to be healthy or unhealthy. It just won't be done automatically. Impact for you, yes. So the traditional way to think about it is if the release was okay or not, and then it gets into the question, what is okay? So for example, with our Sentry integration, we will read errors from Sentry. So Sentry records exceptions that happen, or 500 messages, or something like that that happens in your code where something went wrong. And when the error rate is different than it was before, then Sleuth will kind of guess that that was a bad deployment. It will mark it, it'll notify you, and all this stuff. So the idea is you can go back in time and you can say, were all of my deployments healthy? Well, it looks like there was an unhealthy deployment on that day. What was it? We changed the README. Well, that's probably not correct. So we're going to override that to healthy, because even though there was error rates going up, it was unrelated to that change. And so someone later going through, they'll now see everything was healthy. So it's just kind of a recording the success rate. Yeah, success rate. And also, like, let's say that you do a bad deployment and the error rate does go up. You want to be notified of that so that you can fix it before customers complain.